It makes it kind of fun.
I wonder what type of leaf this is. It's white on the outside.
It's probably poison ivy.
Ooh.
Touch it again? Rub it on your face and see. Don't hate! Miss, I'm going to take the sidewalk.
Oh shit, that was mud.
Yeah, this gets really muddy right here. But it's okay. It's not long. You can just skip over.
The rock side.
Ah! Ooh, an algae tree. Like in the movies.
Alright, leaf.
Can you do this?
Don't
You got
fail
this?
me.
Don't help me leaf.
This is my support system. These trees. Okay.
You can do it one step at a time with her weak ankles. Look at her. She's a champ.
Okay. What's avoiding the mudslide?
Okay. Ah! Yes! Solid land! We conquered the jungle.
Yeah! We made it!
We made it!
Now look at
We survived the 20
sidewalk.
feet. This is what we did. We went up.
had real mud. I wouldn't have gotten mud on this hike.
Came from there.
Sidewalk.
Yeah. Instead of taking this path for the sissies,
Loretta showing.
Loretta and Joey, they took the sissy path. Okay. Look how beautiful this is. I'm gonna try to be all artsy.